In today's video, I'm going to share with you a lesson in the Good and the Beautiful Language Arts Level 2. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a lesson in the Good and the Beautiful's Language Arts Level 2, but it's not the new Level 2. We're doing a lesson in the original Level 2, and if you are doing the new Level 2, you'll be able to compare the two and see how they compare with one another. So we are going to do a lesson, like I said, in the Good and the Beautiful Language Arts Level 2, but I have to remind you that this is the older one. They just came out with the new Level 2. This is not that one. I chose to stay with this one because it is advanced second grade, regular third grade, and we had been doing this since preschool, and I don't want to switch over. I really like this course. So what I have added is we read every day for 10 minutes, and this is from the Good and the Beautiful library. It's Helen Keller Into the Light. It's a book that Ireland was interested. And then I also bought these 3x5 cards with a little cover and a ring. I didn't even have to make it myself, from Target. And this is where I put Ireland's spelling words. So even though it doesn't have me do this in the course, we do this for 5 to 10 minutes every day before we start the actual lesson. So we're going to go inside and do a whole lesson of the way that I do it, I guess, of the Good and the Beautiful Language Arts Level 2. The original version, but however, if you do have the new one, it probably will be different, but I will also make a video on the newer Language Arts Level 2. Okay, so the first thing she has to do is go through these sight word ladders. Now, the ones that we had trouble with, I put a little dot next to it. Now, if it's checked off, that means she mastered it, but I'm still gonna have you read them.
But it's checked off.
I wanted you to read it again.
Beginning?
Nope, yes, beginning. We can check that off today. Here. Oh, the rain calmed down. Okay, how about this one?
That.
Okay, say it again.
That.
Thought.
Thought.
Okay, we'll keep practicing. Well, you said thought, but it should sound like thought.
Chorus.
Good job. Good job.
I think chorus.
Yeah, you want to say chorus. Uh-oh.
Survival.
No, that's survival. Several.
Several.
And how about this one?
Certain.
Good. How about this one?
Language.
Good. How about this one?
Thousand.
Very good. This one?
Material.
Very good. You can check this one off. You can color a shell after you tell me what this word is.
Measure.
Good. And this one?
Several.
Okay, we're not going to check this one off until you get several right at the first time, okay? All right, so she's almost colored all the shells. You're going to color one more. This would be cool if you did every single, like a rainbow. In order of the rainbow.
Wait, what is the order of the rainbow?
Let's get the order of the rainbow.
Oh, this is pretty.
It's beautiful.
Oh, look how pretty that is.
Great job, Ireland. It's very pretty. So here is an overview of the spelling words, the supplies, the homophones and spelling patterns, and all the things we're going to use for Unit 1. And we are only on lesson 3 today. There's phonics cards that go along with this, but she learned those last year, so we don't do that. So instead we replace this with spelling. We're going to use the die and the little airplanes from the math box. One of the activities that we do for spelling is spell it out loud spelling practice game. So she rolls a die and then she has different activities to do. So what did you land on?
Spell while pretending to hula hoop.
Spelling it while pretending to hula hoop.
I don't know how to do that.
So we are going to do this game, but she does not want to do it on camera. So I'm going to let her do it. We still have this big empty space that's going to be my formal living room soon. I can't wait to show you guys. Can't wait to get it. And she's going to go and practice it there. And then we'll be right back to do the rest of the lesson. Okay, so she has to spell while touching her toes.
Okay.
Good job.
That's a stretch.
That was a stretch.
Just bend down.
Good job. So today's lesson is spelling rule number 1. Okay, so vowels are either short or long. When a vowel says its name, it is the long sound. This is reviewed to you, okay? When it does not say its name, it is usually the short sound, okay? So I'm going to give you some words to spell. If you need to write them down, you can. But if not, then spell them out loud, okay? All right, little lady, can you spell shape? The shape of this box is a square shape. Yeah.
S-H-A-P. Oh, right. It has, the E has to make the A say shape.
Very good. S-H-A-P-E, shape. Chime.
C-H.
Yeah.
Chime. I-M-E.
Very good. Next. Look at the different shades of color. Are all the clouds just white? When we paint or draw clouds, we make them all white, right?
These are brown and gray and stuff.
Yep. How about the grass?
Like,
is it just green?
No, it's like brown, kind of.
And dark and light and different kinds of greens. And so you see the water's not just blue and the mountains are not just brown. There's different shades. And those different shades, they look like different texture. You know what texture is?
Wait, excuse me. I see why the water is not blue. It's the reflections of the mountains.
Yes, it's a reflection. Okay, you could check this off here. And then I want you to read these words below and find items. This one. After that, read the words and find the items in the painting. Do that first, okay? So read the words, read the word, and then find it.
A cliff, like here.
Yeah, like here.
And here. And then, wait, I should check this off.
Okay.
Cliff, check. Home, here, there's two here. And some back here, actually. So, homes.
Good job adding an S and making it plural. Okay, what else?
Homes, because there's 1, 2, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good.
Lots of homes.
Lots of homes.
Grass. Check. Right there.
With each word, tell me if the vowel sound in each word is long or short.
Short. Long. Short.
Next, this is spelling rule 1. At the end of one syllable words, is dog one syllable or two?
Is dog one syllable?
How many syllables does dog have?
Dog.
How about kangaroo?
Kangaroo. 3.
Okay, so at the end of a one syllable word, usually double the letters S, F, or L when they come right after a short vowel. Fall. The A is short, so it gets 2 L's. F-A-L-L. So these words end in an L. So can you tell me what this first word says with an L or 2 L's? What would it say?
What is it supposed to spell?
Well, if there's an L or 2 L's, what would it say? Either way, we'll put it here. What does it say?
Until.
Until. So how many syllables is it? I want you to spell the word shell. You have to determine if they're going to get double letters at the end or one. For 10 minutes, she has to read from The Good and the Beautiful Library, which I shared with you, that we're going to read from Helen Keller. Okay, so now the last thing to do in language arts is her independent practice. So Arilyn gets to do this by herself. So here's homophone practice. It says write the correct homophone in each blank. So this first word is wear, like I wear my shoes. Don't wear out your socks. And then this wear, W-H-E-R-E is where are you? But you don't have to do this because we just did spelling. So we're going to check this off, okay? And then level 2 personal reader. So we're going to get to open up your level 2 personal reader today. And you're going to read out loud. And when you read in the reader, even if you're reading to yourself, you're going to read out loud, okay? Here is your level 2 reader. Now, these are questions, they're called comprehension questions because they want to make sure you're paying attention to what you're reading. Who is Polly?
Polly is the parrot.
So that's exactly how you answered. So if it says, who is Miss Green? You're not going to say a teacher. That's not a full sentence. A full sentence is Miss Green is a teacher. And you just answered that in a full sentence, which you're really good at. Polly is the parrot. No, the parrot was not. Not what?
Not
shy. So if I say prayer, not shy. That way, if I read the answer, I don't know what you were talking about, okay? Great job, Arlen. Beautiful job. You can check it off and you are done language arts. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.